Good morning from Thailand. I have now left Chiang Mai and I am now in Pattaya, walking down Walking Street. And I'm about to get one of the ferries across to one of the islands. I'm not sure which one yet. I'm going to find out what's the cheapest and the best one. So I actually just know it's the shooting range. I'm missing every one, innit? I have no idea if I hit anyone. Oh wow, I'm a lot better than I realised. Master marksman. Not too bad. So let's head down to the pier and get the boat. You can see the Pattaya City sign in the background. And then you got the piers down here. Got one to a place with Koh Larn up here for 30 baht. Or speedboat for 150. But I've heard that Koh Larn isn't very walkable. You need a motorbike to get around, and I can't ride a motorbike, so I'm going to try and find a smaller island to go to. Sorry? Oh, which pier is it for Koh Peds? Koh Peds?
Koh Pai.
Yeah, which pier? Is it down this way or our way?
Koh Pai. Oh, Koh Pai. You go here in the Koh Larn.
Oh, what's it? I think it's called Monkey Island or something? Monkey Island?
Bus stop nearby and you take a motorbike go to Monkey Beach.
Ah, okay, alright, thank you. Walking down to the speedboat. The kids can't even sign. Oh, it's just hard to go on. What a beautiful island. Wasn't too bad. I felt like a bloody sardine in a tin can on there. There were so many people crammed in. But look at this island. Truly beautiful. You've got loads of little stores here that sell hats and towels and little bits, so don't panic too much if you don't bring anything from your hotel, because you can buy quite a lot of stuff here quite cheap. I don't know where to go. Where's
Nual.
Where's the monkeys to? Some monkeys near. Nuam Beach. How far is that to go? How far from here? How long does it take to get there? Ignore me. Okay. What's your ticket, say? How much did you win?
110 baht.
How much did you win though? Like, what's the prize?
Oh.
Is it like a lot of money? Will it make me rich? Will I be Thai millionaire?
อะไรวะคนมีอะไรอันนี้ this one 110 baht อันนี้ this one have two ticket 220 baht.
I'll come back in a minute. Cop and grab. No matter where you go, you find these lottery tickets everywhere. I mean, never tell me how much you win. Like, am I going to win like 100 baht, which is basically what I spent, or am I going to win millions? You're very fast, my friend. Very fast. Professional. Professional. Wow, what an amazing view. Very beautiful island. We here? Okay. 50, right? What a dangerous driver. Bloody hell. I'm getting one of those back now. I'm fearing for my fucking life, I'm not gonna lie. Jet skiing, I'm too old for jet skis now, man. Truly beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But apparently all the monkeys tend to be down there and on the cliffs down there as well. So I might go have a look in a minute. Where do I find monkeys?
Oh, monkey come.
Can I get like bananas or like nuts or anything to feed them? Can I feed them? Will they bite me? Will they attack me? Will they like bite me? No? Am I safe?
No.
I'm safe?
I'm safe.
Oh, okay.
Banana, banana.
Bananas, yeah. Will you protect me? Hello. Oh. Too tall for these umbrellas. He won't protect me. Ah well, part of an adventure. If I get mauled to death by monkeys, then so be it. Oh, don't bite me, don't bite me, don't bite me. Hello. The monkeys.
Yes. Monkey.
Will they attack me? Will they kill me?
Yes.
The monkeys will kill me. Oh, I'm still tempted. Will you protect me? Will you help me? You come help me? How much are they? 70?
Yes.
Oh, you made me scared now. I'll do it, I'll buy them anyway. One banana? Just one? Oh wow, it's expensive for one banana. Most expensive banana I've ever bought. Thank you. You're not gonna help me? Oh, I take the whole, all of them. I thought you said just one.
Yes.
You're not gonna help me? You wanna come with me? No? You're not coming? Oh, okay. Will you save me though? Come save me. He doesn't understand the thing I'm saying. I'm gonna die by a bunch of monkeys killing me. Oh no, it's okay. I don't want him to jump at me.
О да, блин, сейчас сопрет. Жирно будет. Твое.
I just take one. Hello,
О,
buddy.
А, вот это вот ее обижает все время. На.
Hello, friends. Hello. Oh.
Ой, блин.
Whoa, whoa. It's a big one here.
Да.
Where's going to jump at me now and maul me to death?
Вот это
Hello,
двойная
friends.
самец.
Oh, you're so friendly.
Точно, самец. Шустрый ты это распаковал, блин.
Да, конечно.
Hey, buddy. Oh.
Она больная.
When you feed one. Oh.
Она больная.
When you feed one. I'm way too scared to touch one of them. Already been bitten by a dog. That was truly the coolest thing I've ever done in my life. Way better than the elephant sanctuary. And I made it out alive. Happy days. And they actually are really friendly towards people. But I guess you get a lot of tourists here that feed them, so I guess we're kind of used to people, I suppose. But yeah, if you ever go to Pattaya, you want to go to South Pier on Pattaya Beach, get a ferry or speedboat across to Koh Larn, and then you want to make your way to Nual Beach, and you will obviously find the monkeys on either side of the beach. Obviously be careful because they can be aggressive, but luckily they weren't today when I went there. So Excuse me, what? This video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments below if you'll be brave enough to feed some wild monkeys. Bye bye. But before I go, one last reminder just how beautiful this beach and island is. But I'll be traveling around for the next 6 months, so make sure you subscribe so you can see more of these beaches and islands and more of what I'm doing.